Hey everyone, I just wanted to make this quick tutorial on how to build your tire. I know some of you have emailed me and have some questions regarding this inside line and also the interior lip. So I think the best way to approach it is going to be by just using a revolve feature. So here's what your finished product will look like. Make sure you are building your parts in millimeters. I'm going to roll my bar back here so we can see how I began this part. So you want to start with just a profile. I have mine here on the right or the top plane, and you can see it's kind of like a rectangle with a little smaller lip on both sides. This is going to be the outside, where this is that inside lip you're going to see. So you can use these dimensions if you would like. I've also put a center line here with this dimension of 5.5, just so as we rotate and revolve this profile, it's going to leave us that open space so we don't have to make another cut on your tire. So once you dimension and fully define this shape, go ahead and then add in that feature of revolve. You're just going to have that be 360 degrees and select that center line as your axis of revolution. Once you do that, you'll see we have kind of the inside of the tire built and the outside. All we're missing is the tread, but that lip is in there and it's on the outside as well. So this is going to be the best way to approach this instead of trying to build multiple circles and different extrudes. Once you have that done, we're going to start with one piece of the tread. So go ahead and bring one of your tire faces normal to you. We're going to be sketching on this back face here, on that lip. If you see here, the tire tread is about 1 3/4 millimeters wide. You can leave the top and bottom lines undefined, so they're going to remain blue, just because you don't want to add in a tangent relationship here. It will make it bubble out a little bit more. You want it to stay in line with that circle that you've already created. So just make sure that you have the right width spaced and then that you are on top of those two line segments. Then you're going to add in that boss extrude feature. Since we are drawing on this inside face, you're just going to select the direction to be up to and this outside surface. Alright, now we want to make that look more like a tire tread, so we're going to add in a chamfer feature on the edge. Here I just chamfered it 1 millimeter in depth and then 45 degrees. That's going to give us that nice tread-like appearance. Once you have one seed feature done, we're then going to create that circular pattern. Now, you cannot do this on both sides at the same time because you do need your tread to alternate. So we have to do one side at each time. For your circular pattern, you can just select that top surface face of the tire edge, and then you want to make sure that you have your boss extrude and chamfer selected. You can either click on it all together or select this arrow over that's kind of at the top of your feature tree manager, and it will show you those different boss extrudes and chamfers, and you can select them this way. That's just going to be 360 degrees and there's 18 of them. So once that's done, we're going to then create our other side's tread. So go ahead and bring this other face normal to you. This sketch you're going to want to try to match up to be in between the tire tread on the other side. So you can either do the exact same pattern or just draw some of your sketch lines so that they appear to be matching in the alternative shape from your other side. Then you'll create another boss extrude and bring it to this outside surface. Once again, we'll add in the chamfer. Those dimensions are going to be the same as our other side. You can see now that it is going to create that alternating pattern. So once you have your seed feature done for the right side, go ahead and create that circular pattern again. And there you have your tire. So it looks pretty difficult, but once you just start with the revolve, it's actually a pretty simple piece to build. I hope this helps all of you out.